What's up, good people? So a few days ago, Peter McKinnon, a very popular YouTuber, he challenged everybody to do a 30-second B-roll sequence on a not very interesting location, like just an intersection or just somewhere close to your house by yourself, and nothing so spectacular, and try to make a good, nice 3-second B-roll sequence. So I went out to a lake close by. I took my camera, Canon 60 Mark II, and two lenses, the 70-200 and the 16-35, and I came up with this. It's not the best out there, but at least I learned a lot, and I really think challenging yourself like that really helps you grow and become better at what you do. So I encourage you to also go challenge yourself. Do small challenges like this to practice, to learn and get better, and don't stop creating. So that's what I have for you today. It's a really short one, I know, but I just wanted to leave you guys with that. Challenge yourself, that way you will grow, you'll get better. Hope you like this video. Subscribe if you aren't already. I do weekly videos of cameras and all the stuff they do, video, photography, and everything like that. So make sure to be subscribed and click the notification bell to be notified when I upload a video. That way you don't miss any of my videos. I think that's it. So I'll see you in the next video.